What if you could create realistic AI voices for your videos without paying for expensive voice tools? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the top 3 powerful AI voice generators, including options with free weekly credits, monthly credits, and even free unlimited generation. And the best part? We're not just generating basic text-to-speech. We'll clone voices, control emotions, choose regional accents, design custom AI voices, and even fine-tune how natural the final voice sounds. So let's start with Kiki Voice. All 3 tools work smoothly on both mobile and laptop. Simply go to Google and search for Kiki Voice AI. Then, tap the 3-dot menu and select Desktop Site. You'll now see the same laptop-style user interface. Now, let's switch over to the laptop screen. The process is exactly the same, and the user interface is also the same. Kiki Voice gives you 80,000 free tokens every week on its free plan for generating AI voices. Now, let's jump into the AI voice cloning tab. Here, you'll upload your audio file, but before you continue, make sure you carefully read the instructions, because you'll see options like light noise reduction and music in environment removal. If your recording contains background noise or music, you can turn these options on. Otherwise, just leave them off. There's one important limitation. Kiki only accepts 20-second voice recordings for cloning. Once your voice clone is ready, simply paste your script here. Then you can choose from the available models, including Kiki Core, Kiki Pro, and Kiki Multilingual. Personally, I prefer Kiki Core, because for me, it consistently produces the best AI voice quality. And another impressive thing about Kiki is its generation speed. Your AI voice can be ready in just 1 second.
Clone any voice instantly without logging in. Upload a sample, type text, and generate realistic speech powered by Kiki Multilingual, Core, and Pro models.
But now, let's see what Kiki Pro can actually do. Kiki Pro comes with some powerful emotion controls. You can choose styles like sad, angry, surprised, or fearful, or experiment with different narrative styles to match the tone of your voiceover. And you can also choose different regional accents. For this test, I'm going with the American accent. We'll keep all the other settings exactly the same.
Clone any voice instantly without logging in. Upload a sample, type text, and generate realistic speech powered by Kiki Multilingual, Core, and Pro models.
Next, let's test Kiki Multilingual. Here, you can choose the voice gender, whether you want a male or female voice. You can also select your preferred regional accent. For the rest of the settings, we'll keep everything exactly the same. But if you prefer another model, you can absolutely use that instead.
Clone any voice instantly without logging in. Upload a sample, type text, and generate realistic speech powered by Kiki Multilingual, Core, and Pro models.
Now let's move to text-to-speech. This part is extremely simple. Just paste your text, and then you can choose from a huge library of voices. The LLM Voices section alone has around 600 voices, so you can browse through them and find one that fits your content.
Welcome to Kiki Voice. This is the magnetic male narrator voice sample for documentary narration.
But there's another useful way to find the right voice. You can browse different categories based on the type of content you're creating. For example, you'll find categories like news and information, emotional and healing. So instead of randomly testing hundreds of voices, choose a category that matches your content and find the voice that fits your style. Once you've selected your favorite voice, keep the remaining settings exactly the same and generate it.
AI voice generator for commercial use with 600 plus LLM voices, 300 plus standard voices, 3 TTS engines, 75 plus languages, emotion and accent controls, no login, unlimited use.
Now, this is where things get really interesting. Kiki also lets you create a custom AI voice specifically for your niche and content style. And creating one is surprisingly easy. You can describe exactly what you want by entering a voice prompt. Or, if you don't want to write a prompt from scratch, you can use the quick examples provided here. Just click one of the examples, and you can quickly define the voice's niche, style, and personality. For example, you can choose voices like calm, adult, male, or calm, warm female narrator. But you can go even further. With quick insert attributes, you can add things like bass, time bass, emotion, pacing, pitch, scenario, and more. Once you're happy with the settings, click Generate. Kiki will create 2 custom voices for you. Now listen to both carefully.
Please ensure your seatbelts are fastened. Kiki Voice wishes you a pleasant and comfortable journey.
Please ensure your seatbelts are fastened. Kiki Voice wishes you a pleasant and comfortable journey.
Don't just pick the first one. Choose the voice that sounds best for your content and audience. Once you've found the right voice, click Create with this voice. And now you can start using it. But there's one step you definitely don't want to skip. Always download this custom voice and save it on your PC. Why? Because you can use that exact voice again later and maintain consistent voice branding across your YouTube videos or any other niche you're working in. Now, the workflow is simple. Paste your script, select your voice model, adjust the voice settings, and generate your voice. And with a custom voice, you can create results like this.
Create original custom AI voices from scratch without logging in. No real person voice samples are required, helping you construct unique brand auditory IP with zero copyright risk and unlimited commercial use.
Next, we have Cartesian AI Voice Generator. Simply search for Cartesian on Google, then tap the three-dot menu and select Desktop Site. Once that's done, let's switch over to the PC or laptop screen. Its free plan gives you 20,000 credits per month, which you can use for both text-to-speech and speech-to-text. That's a pretty generous free plan, especially if you're just getting started. First, let's test the text-to-speech feature. You'll also find a selection of ready-made templates for different types of voice generation. For example, you can choose templates for customer support, storytelling, comparison, and more. Then simply choose your language, select your voice gender, male or female, and generate your voice in just a few clicks. It's super simple.
Alara held her breath, gripping her lantern. She wasn't supposed to be down here, where something older had been waiting a long time.
Now, if you want to take things even further, there's another option you definitely need to know about: Google AI Studio Text-to-Speech. It's currently a free and unlimited option for generating AI voices, and it's an excellent model for creating high-quality AI voiceovers. Let's set it up. First, we need to configure the speaker settings. Click here, and you can define your audio profile by adding instructions for things like style, pacing, and accent, whatever fits your content. You'll also find a huge selection of voices to choose from. Pick the one you like. For this example, I'll go with a voice like this.
What idea do you want to bring to life?
What sparks your interest?
Now, once you've finished customizing your speaker voice prompt, simply paste your script here, then click Run, and almost instantly, the model generates your voice.
With the help of Google AI Studio, you can generate unlimited, incredibly realistic AI voices.
Now, let's finish the scene settings and listen again, because these settings can make a big difference in the final result.
And the best part? You can easily customize the voice style, pacing, and accent to match exactly what you need.
Let's also remove the sample content and test our own voice to see exactly how it sounds.
With the help of Google AI Studio, you can generate unlimited, incredibly realistic AI voices. And the best part? You can easily customize the voice style, pacing, and accent to match exactly what you need. Even better, it's totally free and unlimited.
Advanced speaker settings. Now, let's go back into the speaker settings. This time, I'll switch to a different channel and set the style to Vocal Smile. Let's test it and hear the difference.
With the help of Google AI Studio, you can generate unlimited, incredibly realistic AI voices. And the best part?
And there's another really powerful feature here. You can adjust the temperature setting. By increasing or decreasing the temperature, you can fine-tune the generated voice and make the result sound more professional and natural. So if your first generation doesn't sound exactly the way you want, don't immediately change the entire voice. Try adjusting the temperature and testing it again.
With the help of Google AI Studio, you can generate unlimited, incredibly realistic AI voices.
And once you're completely happy with your final voice, simply click Download and save the audio to your device. If you want more practical AI tools and workflows like this, subscribe to Balva AI, because I'm constantly testing new AI tools that can help you create better content faster. In the next video, I'm showing you a completely free AI avatar tool inside Google Vids that can actually speak your script for you. See you there!